Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where it all came from? How did this vast, incredible universe begin? And what are the rules that govern it? It's a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Well, what if I told you that one of the greatest minds of our time, Stephen Hawking, broke down these cosmic mysteries into ideas we can all understand? In his masterpiece, A Brief History of Time, he takes us on an unforgettable journey through space and time. So, let's start at the very beginning, the Big Bang. Forget what you think you know. Picture this. The entire universe, everything you see and everything you don't, was once packed into a point smaller than a single atom. In an instant, this tiny, unbelievably dense point exploded with unimaginable force. This wasn't just an explosion in space. It was the explosion of space. It created everything: the galaxies, the stars, the planets, and even time itself. Before the Big Bang, time as we know it simply didn't exist. Now, let's talk about time. We think of it as a constant, a clock ticking away second by second. But Hawking, building on Einstein's ideas, showed us that time is much weirder than that. It's not a straight line. It's more like a fabric that can be bent, stretched, and warped by gravity. Imagine placing a heavy bowling ball on a trampoline. That's what massive objects, like stars and planets, do to the stronger the gravity, the more it warps time. This means that time literally moves slower near a massive object. An astronaut orbiting a black hole would age more slowly than someone on Earth. Time is relative, and its pace depends on where you are in the universe. Speaking of black holes, these are some of the most extreme and mysterious objects in the cosmos. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so overwhelmingly strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. It's the ultimate point of no return. For a long time, scientists thought black holes were just cosmic vacuum cleaners, swallowing everything forever. But Stephen Hawking made a groundbreaking discovery that changed everything. He realized that black holes aren't completely black. Due to bizarre quantum effects at their edge, they slowly leak a tiny amount of energy back out into space. This faint glow is now famously known as Hawking radiation. This means that over an incredibly long period, black holes can actually evaporate and disappear. So, where do we fit into this grand cosmic picture? The universe is expanding, and it's getting bigger every single second. Our planet, Earth, is just one small world orbiting a rather average star in a galaxy we call the Milky Way. But our galaxy is just one among hundreds of billions of galaxies, each containing billions or even trillions of stars of its own. When you look at the sheer scale of it all, it's both humbling and awe-inspiring. We are part of something unimaginably vast and ancient. This leads us to the ultimate quest in physics, the search for a theory of everything. Scientists like Einstein spent their lives trying to find a single, elegant equation that could unite the two great pillars of modern physics. On one hand, we have general relativity, which describes gravity and the large-scale structure of the universe. On the other, we have quantum mechanics, which describes the strange, fuzzy world of tiny particles. These two theories work perfectly in their own domains, but they don't work together. Hawking dedicated much of his life to finding this unified theory, a single framework that could explain all the forces of nature from the Big Bang to the fate of black holes. In the end, A Brief History of Time does more than just explain physics. It reminds us that the universe is far stranger, more beautiful, and more mysterious than we can possibly imagine. Stephen Hawking taught us to stay curious, to keep asking questions, and to never stop looking up at the stars. By trying to understand the universe, we learn more about our own place within it. The quest for knowledge is what makes us human. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos and want to explore more big ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.